then, I was just a small girl with a small allowance and a big love. Now, I'm your wife with same big love, maybe a slightly bigger allowance. Padala ka ha? Padalas.
Galing.
And now, looking back, we know it was all worth it.
Diyan na. Ako'y tapos na. Masyado na matagal eh. Kaya, bukasan na to. Ano ba ang post ko? Tulungan niyo naman ako. Hindi ako maano mag-post. Baka yung SDE namin 5 minutes na kaganto ko ha.
Wala akong pizza, wala kang pamilya dyan. Puro ka dugo.
Don't look at me! At ang aming mga kamay, ang aming mga pat, ang aming mga bibig na pagod na. Para lang mairaos ang kasal na ito. Sana wag umulan, Lord.
Yun, narinig ako sisigawan.
Masyado magugulo. Dapat pala formalan lang.
I mean, I talked to him yesterday. He promised he would come. And now I can't forget.
Tapos kami doon, third year, nung kami ay nagkaibigan. Hindi kami nagkasawaan. Ay, hindi, ako sawaan na talaga ako. Kasi lagi niya ako sinusuyo eh. Simulan na ang laban! Kaya bang maganda ako? In Spanish, go. Oh, thank you so much.
I'm so happy for you guys. I wish you all the best and go make some babies.
Uy naman, super excited ka para sa inyo. Sabi ko sa inyo, wala kayo makuha seryoso sa akin. I'm so happy for the both of you. I love you both. Sana makapag-travel na tayo sa couple. Welcome to the married life. Wow!
Una, thank you. Pagkakataon ko tayo nakasama ulit. Ayun, dito pa sa kasal namin. Papasalamat ako. And then thank you sa mga tropa nating abay dyan. Tropa natin. At dahil sa kanya, sama-sama ulit kami mga OG. Ayun. Isang bagsak.
From sharing a single big bite at 7-Eleven, I fell in love with how you give me your time and how you always make awkward situations feel like home, where my calm in all the chaos, my laughter in silence, and the only person who can make a stressful day feel like a sitcom na ayokong matapos. Natapos tayo sa college at nagsimulang mangarap at magplano about life. Hindi lang para sa sarili mo, sa pamilya mo, pero para sa atin. Doon ko nalaman. I knew then, you weren't just someone I loved. You were someone I could build a life with.
Masarap magkaroon ng partner sa buhay, mag-aasikaso sa'yo, mag-iintindi sa'yo, yung pagmamahalan ninyo walang hanggan. Ha? Walang forever, pero always together.
Kahit ayun yung nga naiyak ako, kuya, muna kami pa. Picture muna kami. Actually, today is exactly our 12th year anniversary. Kaya memorable talaga tong day na to, December 16. Planado talaga to lahat. Happy ako, excited ako today.
I'm truly grateful to have a partner who is not just a lover but also a fighter. Salamat sa pagsama sa lahat ng hirap at sarap at sa lahat ng tawa at iyak. I'm truly blessed to have you as my bride. And now I'm standing here in front of you overwhelmed. Not just because I'm marrying the love of my life, but because I'm marrying the person who has known me at every version of myself. Today and always, I promise to never forget what you feel, to honor your heart, and to give you the same love and care that you so freely give to others.
I make this promise to you na hindi tayo mapaghihiwalay ng sino man o ano man. I will love you in every season, through paydays and pack days. I promise to support you, cheer you. You've taught me to pause, lalo na sa mga nangyayari ng mga nakaraan, to stay grounded and to celebrate how far we've become. You always remind me that success isn't in material things. It is in the moments we share, the battles we've won, and the love we keep choosing every day.
Sa La Purisima Concepcion Academy, a Catholic church, kaya kami pinalaking mabubuti. Baka kasi may ilagay nyo dyan, bad yun. Sasabihin ko sana, Mama Mary, tas ako na. Huwag nyo sasama yun. Ate ng mga teacher ko.
I promise to create a home filled with love, laughter, and kindness. To be your safe haven, your biggest fun, and your truest friend. I promise you, no matter what happens, I will always have your back. I know how hard your life has been, and from now on, you'll never have to face anything alone. And for the rest of my life, I will keep choosing you as you keep choosing me.
Good luck sa kanya. Sana malampasan niyo yung mga pagsubok ng buhay.
Sana magustuhan mo ang gift na ito. Another addition sa collection. See you later. Enjoy lang natin ang araw na to. Love you.
Congratulations and happy life!
Ganda ka na!
Shoutout sa inyo, Mama Mai, Chrislyn, Tito Jonjon, sa ina, umuwi pa from Canada. 5,000!
Dahil ikaw ang partner ko, marami tayong na-achieve sa buhay. Happy ako kasi may kilig ka lagi sa akin. I hope that this box will give you a smile on your beautiful face for the rest of the day. Smile lang ha, araw natin to. I love you.
I wanna hold you closer. I wanna build some kind of home.
So today and every day after, I will love you with the same joy and simplicity as the girl who once shared a hotdog sandwich with you after school. There will be days where love will not be enough. But a kind person is a kind person regardless. Naniniwala ako sa kabutihan ng puso mo. Pagpalamahal kita.